Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Okay, again and again, I'm asking you, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe. Why? Because of now his situation is undergoing. But my dear students, so you must be now take care yourself and properly wash your hand, okay, and maintain the distance from one person to another person. Got my points, my dear students? It's a necessary for us, and always we use the sanitizers. Got my points? So now, my dear students, here first of all we will going to start our session. Yesterday what we have done? Yesterday we have done, my dear students, introductions of measurement, okay, and 10a, exercise number 10a. I hope you have done. We have done, my dear students, okay. I hope you all are, my dear students. I have done, but you have also done, my dear students, the exercise number 10a. So now today we are going to new topic, drawing a line segment, okay. Then after, my dear students, expressing one unit in terms of another, okay. So first of all, before starting our topic or our session, so let's check today's code and then we will move on further, my dear students. So I am going to start it here. First of all, today's quote. My dear students, if you can dream it, you can do it. What, my dear students? If you can dream it, you can do it. What my points, my dear students? This is your today's quote. If you can dream it, you can do it. Okay. Now we will move on our session, my dear students. So today's first topic is what, my dear students? Today's first topic is drawing a segment. What, my dear students? Drawing a line segment is our first topic. So my dear students, our new topic is what? Drawing a line segment. So means we are going to learn drawing a line segment, my dear students. Understood all? What I am telling you here, to draw a line segment of length 4 and 1/2, 1/2. 1/2. What we call 1/2, my dear students? 1/2. It's called 1/2. Okay, 1/2. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you here. So its meaning is what, my dear students? Its meaning is what? 4 means 4 and 1/2. It means 4.5 means 4.5 centimeter. Okay, as per I was told you yesterday, my dear. Got my points, my dear? Okay, this is a what? This is a drawing a line segment. To draw a line segment of length 4 1.5 centimeters. Step number 1. What is the step number 1, my dear students? Step number 1 is mark a point with a sharpened pencil on a blank sheet of paper. Means what? Here we have a 3 step of drawing a line segment. How many step, my dear students? Here we will going to learn a 3 step drawing a line segment. So what is okay, and which step? So one by one we are going to learn all step. Okay, dear, one by one we are going to learn all step. Okay, total here is how many step? 3 step. Okay, so step number 1, then after step number 2, and then after step number 3 we will going to learn. So here we will going to first check the what is the step number 1. Okay, what is the aim? What is the question? Okay, so see, this is a question, my dear students. Here this is a question, my dear students. Okay, so question is what? To draw we have to draw, we are going to draw what, my dear students? To draw a line segment of length 4 and 1.5 centimeter. What is the meaning of 1.5, my dear students? Okay, 1.5 means 4.5 centimeter. So we will going to learn 4.5 centimeter segment. Okay, so step number 1 is what, dear? Step number 1 is mark a point with the sharp ended pencil on sharp-ended pencil on a blank sheet of paper. This is step number 1. Again I repeat, my dear students, step number 1. Step number 1 is mark a point with a sharp-ended pencil on a blank sheet of paper. This is a first question. Okay, my dear students. Then after the question number, step 2. Step 1 is what? We have to mark a point with the sharp-ended pencil on a blank sheet of paper. And then after the step number 2, keep the 1/5 centimeter scale with the 0 mark at the point. Means, what is the meaning of 15 centimeter scale with the 0 mark at the point? Means we take the small scale. Okay, and it's what is the mark that 0 to 15 centimeter. If you have a large scale, so it's a 0 to till 30. Okay, so it's a large scale, but here we will going to take only a small scale. Okay, and small scale is a 0 to 15 centimeter. So here only we will going to make a 4.5 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Again I repeat the step number 2. What is the step number 2? Step number 2 is keep the 15 centimeter scale with the 0 mark at the point. Hold the scale firmly with the one hand. Okay, firmly or freely with a one hand, my dear students. Okay, means we have to make a proper line with the help of scale till to 0 to 4.5 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? See here on the scale 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So where we reach on 4.5 or 4.5 means 4.5. See here, my dear students. See. Okay, here is the pencil. Okay, here we will going to start the pencil segment. See here, and we reach 4.5. Then after it's come 5. Okay, now my dear students, we will move a step number 3. So let's check the step number 3. Use the other hand to draw a line from the point along the edge of the scale to the mark halfway between 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. What, my dear students? Means we are going to, after reaching a 4 centimeter, we have to make a 1.5. Okay, means not a 5, 1.5. It's between a 4 and 5. These middle points we are reached there. Okay, so again I repeat, my dear students, step number 3. Use the other hand to draw a line from the point along the edge of the scale to the mark halfway between 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Understood all of you? Use the other hand to draw a line from the point along the edges of the scale to mark halfway between 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. The line segment is the 4.5 centimeter along. See here the line segment, my dear students. Okay, here is the what, my dear students? Line segment. Okay, in line segment is a 4.5 centimeter long. Got my points? A line segment is what? 4.5 centimeter. 4 and 1.5 means 4.5 centimeter long. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you? Okay, again I repeat, my dear, again I'll repeat the step number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, I hope you all are understood step number 1, 2 and 3. But again I repeat, my dear, step number 1 is what? Mark a point with the sharp ended pencil on a blank sheet of paper. Okay, means we have to make a point here. See, this is point. All things I'll mark here, my dear students, for you. See, this is step number 1. Okay, we have to make a point with the sharp ended pencil on a blank sheet of paper, my dear. Got my points, my dear students? Okay, then after the step number 2. What is the step number 2? Keep the 15 centimeter scale with the 0 mark. What? We keep the 15 centimeter scale with the 0 mark at the point. Hold the scale firmly with a one hand. Got my points, my dear students? See, this is step number 2. Then after the step number 3, use the other hand, draw a line from, use the other hand to draw a line from the point along the edges of the scale to the mark halfway between 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Okay, so see, my dear students, this is a step number 3. Got my points, my dear students? Okay, again I repeat, use the other hand to draw a line from the point along the edge of the scale to the mark halfway between 4 and 5 centimeter. Okay, my dear students, and then after this topic there is a, now we will move on further, my dear students, on our next topic, expressing one unit in terms of another. Okay, endangered animals. Okay, what is the endangered animals? I am telling you here all things, my dear students. Endangered means, my dear students, endangered animals, but I am telling you here. Okay, but topic is what, my dear students? Expressing a one unit in terms of another. Okay, means one unit we have to convert in other unit. Got my points, my dear students? Endangered animals. What is the meaning of endangered animals? Endangered is what? Closer to existence. Okay, my dear students? That is, meaning is what? That there are not very many of the type of animal left in the world. Okay, for example, lion, tiger, okay, and also a dinosaur is not an endangered animals, it's already is a left. Okay, means what? Its meaning is what? An endangered animals means there are not very many of that type of animal left in the world. Got my points, my dear students? Okay, so its meaning is what, my dear students? Its meaning is endangered. Okay, one of the biggest challenges our planet is the facing is a growing number of the animals that are in endangered of becoming extinct. Okay, extinct. It is important to save this animal if we have to save the planet Earth. What, my dear students? If we have to save the planet Earth. Okay, we have to save Earth. So what to do? We have to save our animals. Got my point? Not only endangered animals, all animals. Okay, we save the all animals. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you here. Okay, again I repeat for you, my dear students. One of the biggest challenges our planet is facing is the growing number of the animals that are in danger of becoming extinct. It is important to save this animal if we have to save a planet Earth. Okay, now here a important topic for us, my dear students, meter and centimeter. Which topic is important for us here? Meter and centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Meter and centimeter. Okay, here is important topic is what, my dear students? Here is important topic is meters and centimeters. Okay, my dear students, here is our new topic is what? Meter and centimeter. Okay, it's important for us, and anyhow and then you have to memorize. Okay, and his topic, his name is what? Meter to centimeter. Convert centimeter or meter. This important notice you have to keep it in mind, my dear students. Okay, this is an important note, you have to keep it in mind. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you here. So, my dear students, here we are going to learn meter to centimeter or centimeter to meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. What, my dear students? This all terms you have to keep it in mind, and together explanation and together we are going to learn. That time you have to memorize. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. What, my dear students? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1.5 meter is equal to 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1.5 means half meter is equal to 15 centimeter. Got my point? It's the basic information. Okay, and now here is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter, 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter, 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter, 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter, 6 meter is equal to 600 centimeter, 7 meter is equal to 700 centimeter, 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter, 9 meter is equal to 900 centimeter, and 10 meter is what, my dear students? 10,000 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? It's the agenda and formula of the meter to centimeters to centimeters. You have to keep it in mind, my dear students. Got my points? What I am telling you here? Again I repeat, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, my dear students. 1.5 meter is equal to 50 centimeter. 1 meter, so how many centimeter, my dear students? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, again and again I repeat, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. You also repeat with me, my dear students. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1.5 meter is equal to 50 centimeter. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. You all are repeat with me. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter. 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. 6 meter is equal to 600 centimeter. 7 meter is equal to 700 centimeter. 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter. 9 meter is equal to 900 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? This is a matter is what? Meters to centimeter. If I am telling you here centimeter to meters, so how we will convert, my dear students? Opposite. Okay, what we do, my dear students? We do the opposite. Okay, so now I am going to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeters, so how many meter? 1 meter. Okay, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 50 centimeter is equal to 1.5 meter. Got my points, my dear students? As like that we are convert to meter to centimeter to meter or meter to centimeters. We are going to learn that type of the sum or example. Okay, again I repeat 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, but here what we will do? Here we will do opposite side. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Got my points? Okay, so now I am explaining you 100 centimeter, so 1 meter. 200 centimeter, so it's 2 meter. 300 centimeter, it's 3 meter. 400 centimeter, it's 4 meter. 500 centimeter, so 5 meter. 600 centimeter, so 6 meter. 700 centimeter, so it's 7 meter. 800 centimeter, so it's 8 meter. 900 centimeter, it's 9 meter. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you, I hope you all are understood betterly, dear. Okay, now my dear students, we will move on further. So here is some example. Okay, here is some example of endangered animals, and it is those importance for us. Okay, given below are, my dear students, measurement of the some endangered animals in meter. Find the measurement in centimeter. My dear students, again I repeat the instructions. Given below are measurement of some endangered animals in meter. Okay, given below are measurements of some endangered animals in meter. Find the measurement in a centimeter. Here is what? Javan Rahino. Okay, Javan Rahino. Got my points, my dear students? Rahino. So its length is what, my dear students? 3 meter, 3.5 meter. Got my points, my dear students? 3.5 meter. So what is a 3.5 meter? 3 meter is equal to how many, my dear students? 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. Okay, and here 1.5 meter is equal to how many, my dear students? Is equal to 50 centimeter. Okay, got my points? As like that, my dear students. Okay, so answer is what, my dear students? 300 plus 5050. Okay, see, my dear students, here 300 plus what, my dear students? 300 plus 50 centimeter. Got my points? So answer is what, my dear students? Answer is 315 centimeter. Okay, my dear students, got my points? What I am telling you here. So my dear students, see, here is the answer. Okay, how we will check? Okay, which question we are going to learn? First question, example of rhino. Okay, this is a question. Got my points, my dear students? This is a question. Okay, so Raman rhino length is 3.5 meters. So 3 meter is equal to how many centimeter? As per I was told you, my dear students, 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter, and 1.5 meter is equal to 5015 centimeter. So what we have to do? We have to do 300 plus 5015 is equal to 315 centimeter. Okay, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 5 is equal to 5, and 3 as it is. Okay, and don't forget to making a box, and don't forget most important is what? Write the unit. Unit. Okay, we have to convert meter into the centimeter. Okay, this is a question number 1. Here is done. Got my points, my dear students? Understood all? Now we will move on to question number B. Okay, my dear students, so let's check here the question number 2. Mountain gorilla. What? Second example is what, my dear students? Second example is mountain gorilla. Okay, so it's example of mountain gorilla, and it's also endangered species. Which species? Endangered species. And his height is what? 1 meter and 79 centimeter. So how can we will write, my dear students? So we write as like that, my dear students. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, got my points? And we will going to mention as it is a same. We are going to mention a 79 centimeter. Got my points? Okay, 79 centimeter is as it is 79 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? We have to do what? We have to do the addition here. Okay, so 100, my dear students. 100. Here we put the plus sign after we which sign we put? Plus, and then we write the 79. Okay, dear, got my points all? What I am telling you here, we will put the plus sign, and answer is what? 179. Okay, 179 is our answer. See here, my dear students. 79 is our answer. Got my points, my dear students? Okay, and don't forget to write a centimeter. Understood all? Don't forget to write the centimeter. It's our answer. So check, my dear students, answer is correct or wrong? Answer is Correct. See, 179 centimeter. Okay, 179 centimeter. Okay, so it's question number 2. It's mountain gorilla. It's we have done. Now we will move on further, my dear students. Question number, which question number 3? Okay. A Ganges River dolphin and its length is 2 meter and 9 centimeter. What, my dear students? 2 meter and 9 centimeter. 2 meter and 9 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? And its length. It's the length, its height and its length. So now I am going to write here 2 meter. 2 meter. So how many centimeter, my dear students? 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. Then after, my dear students, 9 centimeter. So 9 centimeter is what? 9 centimeter is as it is 9 centimeter as it is, my dear. Okay, and here we will going to do the addition. So my dear students, see, this is the addition. 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter and 9 centimeter is as it is. Got my point, my dear students? What I am telling you here? Okay, what I am telling you, you all are understood all? So it's 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter and 9 centimeter. As it is, we write the 9 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? So here we will do the addition. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. 0 and 0 as it is. 0 as it is and 2 as it is. So answer is what? 209 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you? This is all example of converting meter into the centimeter. Okay, they give us to a what? Meter, and we have to convert into the centimeter. Understood, my dear students? We have to convert into the centimeter, and this is a method of converting meter to centimeter. Okay, so now, my dear students, today's homework is what? Today's your homework is you have to write 3 example. These 3 example in your rough book 2 times. Got my points, my dear students? And tomorrow we are going to learn centimeters to meter. What? We are going to learn tomorrow centimeters to meter. I'll give you just example, and in further detail tomorrow I am going to explain this all. Endangered species example: Bengal tiger, giant panda and Indian elephant. Tomorrow I am going to explain this whole things. Okay, and today's homework, again I repeat for you, my dear students, today's homework is what? 3 example of converting meter to centimeter. Means today's class work 1 time in your book. Now I am writing here, my dear students, today's homework. So today's homework is what? Homework, my dear students. Okay, got my points, my dear students? Today's homework is what? Today's homework is today's class work. Today's class work example. Class work 3 example. How many, my dear students? Okay, we have to write a class work 3 examples. Okay, how many times, my dear students? How many only times you have to write 2 times in your rough book. Okay, so you have to write 2 times in your rough book. Okay, my dear students, today's is your homework. Understood all? Got my points, my dear students? Is today's your homework. Thank you so much all of you my dear students from watching this video, and try to do homework. Okay, thank you so much my dear students. Thank you all.